I see you, Grayson, standing by himself. Yes, I see you. What you gonna do? You gonna come and get the camera? Thank you. No, you can't have the camera. You can't. Grayson can't have the camera. Grayson can't have the camera. No. Look, there's Mimi. See, you see Mimi in the camera? Yeah, look, there's Mimi. But we can't play with the camera. Because it's Mimi's camera. Nope, you can't have the camera. We can't have the camera. We can't. You can't have that camera. Well, you can't taste it. Well, okay. No, you can't have it. Okay, whoop, let's turn it off. Whoop, whoopee.